Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. We'll be making a number wheel like this. For that, stick the sticks around the wooden sheet like this. Now number it and then paste on the each sheet as shown in the video. Fix it as we are fixing in this and it's ready. Next, we will make a beautiful toy or a game you can say. So next, we will take a wooden cardboard sheet like this. Make a hole, draw a hen on it like this. Now paste the water bottle on the back and it's ready. Next, we will take an egg and then cut the shapes of the dinosaur like this and fix it around the egg shell like this and then color it and it's ready. Next, we will make a bicycle. Take a wooden cardboard sheet and make the wheels using it like this. Cut it and fix it using the glue gun. Make a hole in the between and put a straw. Fix its body using these sticks like this. Paste them one by one and your bicycle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a cat using the wooden cardboard sheet. Cut it as shown in the video. Draw the lines first and then cut it. Now fix each of them one by one and your cat will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a toy. Take a wooden cardboard sheet and cut it like this. Now fix the thread in the between from both the sides and then roll it like this and your toy is ready. Thanks for watching our video.